The regional skilled trades competition for welding was a full-day trip to Humber College, starting at, I believe it was 8 a.m. They gave us metal, took it in a booth, tacked it up, welded it, and then it got graded. How I started welding was a grade 9 project where we had to rivet 2 pieces of metal together and then do a bead, or a few beads and then a few puddles. And I did really badly on it. I hated how I performed in that, and I wanted to keep getting better. I think one of the things that have inspired me to weld is just seeing where it can take me and how much money is in it. Welding has been an interest in the last probably two-ish years since I just figured out that I was terrible at it. And I've been enjoying it ever since. Right now in my co-op program, I'm doing aircraft maintenance. Sometimes it's cleaning the planes, just scrubbing them out. Other times it's cutting out pieces of the skin of it and putting in a skylight. Other times it's fixing damaged floorboards or wings, removing the furniture so we can inspect it. Just a lot of in-depth work on the school planes there. A few things that I'm looking forward to are definitely graduating, like any other grade 12, and prom. I think one of my hobbies, alongside most other teenagers, is video games. And since I started taking auto, it's been a lot of restoring equipment and taking things that don't work and making them work. I think one thing that I want to do after high school is probably continue welding or do welding on airplanes. One of my big inspirations have been competitive welders and highly skilled teachers that know how to weld. I believe that the school's theme of speaking with the heart comes from a place of love, and what I take that to be is sharing my values in a way that help other people grow. A few people I would like to thank are definitely Mr. Carnavale, the welding teacher, my parents who've helped me get to this point and keep encouraging me to go further.